Hello children, how are you today? Сәлем балалар, қалдарың қалай? Today we will be traveling into space. Бүгін біз ғарышқа саяхаттаймыз. First, let's start learn new words. Ең алдымен жаңа сөздермен танысайық. Listen and repeat after me. Тыңдаймыз, қайталаймыз. Space. Space. Ғарыш. Planet. Планета. Earth. Жер. Moon. Eye. The sun. Күн. Космонавт. Ғарышкер. Aliens. Шет елдік. Rocket. Зымыран. Next, this is the first cosmonaut from Kazakhstan to visit space. His name is Toxtar Әубәкіров. Бұл Қазақстанның атынан ең алғашқы аспанға ұшқан ғарышкер. Оның есімі Тоxtar Әубәкіров. Next, this is the planets. Келесі бұл планеталар. Earth, Jupiter, Moon, Mars, Neptune, Venus, Mercury, Saturn, Sun, and Uranus. Next, watch the video
Space. Let's go on a journey to outer space. First, we must get in my rocket ship. Rocket ship. Rocket ship. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Wow! There are so many things to see up here. In our solar system, we have 8 planets. Solar system. Solar system. Sun. Sun. Planet. Planet. Earth is a planet. Earth. Earth. We have a lot of satellites in space. They give us useful information about the weather. Satellite. Satellite. There is the moon. 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 Look at all the stars. 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 Look out! There's an asteroid coming straight at us. Asteroid. Asteroid. Woo! That was a close one. Let's go a little further out. This is our galaxy. 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 In the center of the galaxy, there's a black hole. Black hole. Black hole. All of this is known as space. 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 Review. Rocket ship. Sun. Moon. Solar system. Planet. Earth. Asteroid. Stars. Satellite. Galaxy. Black hole. Space.
Okay, next. This is aliens. They have multicolored bodies and big eyes. Бұлар шетелдіктер, инопланетяндар. Олар түрлі түсті және үлкен денелі. Және көздері де үлкен. Next. Let's remember new words and play a game. What is it? What is it? It's rocket. Very good. Next. What is it? What is it? It's alien. Very good. Next. What is it? It's a star. Very good. What is it? It's a planet. Very good. Next. What is it? It's a ears. Very good, children. Okay, thank you everyone. Lesson is over. Goodbye, children. Have a nice day.